Imagine you're looking into supermarket that looks like pure chaos. You see milk sitting right next to potato chips, fresh vegetable mixed in with cleaning supplies, and stationery randomly filled with frozen peas. You're trying to find out what you need, but it feels like a treasure hunt without a map frustrating, right? Now imagine if every aisle in the supermarket were perfectly labeled and every product neatly arranged. Dairy in one section, snacks in another, and frozen foods exactly where it belongs. Shopping would be a great for you. Your data in Tableau is no different. Without proper organization, it's just a cluster mess of numbers and labels. That's hard to navigate. But just like a supermarket arranges its products into aisle for easy access, Tableau let you sort and arrange your data by adding multiple fields to row. This helps you visualize pattern, drill down into details, and make sense of the information. In this video, I will guide you step by step in how to add multiple fields to row in Tableau, turning your chaotic dataset into a clean, structured, and insightful view. Just like shopping in a perfectly organized supermarket, ready to bring order to your data. And let's dive in.
Hi, I'm Ansh from KnowHow Academy.
In this video, we will see how to add multiple fields to Tableau rows and how to display your sales number in column, and also we see how to polish it up all for your professional look. Imagine you're tasked with organizing a supermarket. You have got it endless piles of products like milk, chips, potatoes, notebooks, and it's your job to create a logical, clean layout that makes shopping easy and enjoyable. Where do you start? Well, you being by grouping similar item into the aisle. Dairy products in one section, office supplies in another, and so on. That's exactly what we are going to do in Tableau. Instead of groceries, we will work with sales data and organize it so anyone can quickly find insights. To make this process simple, we will use Tableau built-in sample superstore dataset. So as you can see that I had a sample superstore dataset here where it has category, city, country, all that kind of fields. And for that, which contains sales data for product across regions and category. Let's roll up your sleeves and dive into it. So our step one is setting the stage for you guys. First, we have already opened our Tableau and we have connected our sheet. So in that data source, you need to drag the order sheet into this. This is your black canvas where all the magic will happen in this sheet one. So basically, our step one here been created. Now the step two is organizing by region. Now let's start organizing in the data pane on the left. So you can see this is our data pane on the left, which has include various kind of fields. Locate the field region here. So let me find my region. So here is my region. Now this field represents geographical areas like east, west, central, and south even. So what you need to do is drag region into the row shelf at the top. I will take my region and drag it to the row shelf. I'll take it to the row shelf. Now see, you can see it showing me central, east, south, and west. Imagine walking into the supermarket and seeing clear signs for different sections like North Asia, South Asia, and so on. This step group our data by regions, making it easy to compare them at a glance for you. Now, step 3 is adding categories for your clarity. We are organized by region now. Great start. But let's add more details. Locate the field category in the data pane. So that's my data pane, and here is my category field. I locate it. This field represents the types of products sold, such as furniture, office supplies, and technology. Drag your category field into the row shelf right next to region. I will take my category shelf and drag it next to region. Now, you can see. Now imagine you are in the North Asia of your supermarket. Instead of random mix, it's further split into section of dairy, snacks, and beverages. Adding categories, making it more easier to understand what's going on each option. So you can see here now it's been showing in central, the categories furniture, office supplies. Each region it, centralized in the categories option. Now our step 4 is bringing numbers to life. It's time to bring some numbers. Find the field sales in the data and drag it to the column shelf. So here is my sales field. what I need to do is I need to drag it to the column shelf. I take it and take it to the column shelf. So now it created me a chart for you guys. For that, what I need to do is I'll take it and go to the rotate it option, and now let me make it wider for you so you will able to understand. So from now you can see that Central has this much sale, and Central has office supplies. From that, imagine walking down an aisle and seeing clear price tag for each product. Similarly, adding sales figures show the total revenue for each category in every region. For instance, you might notice that technology sales in the East are booming. So, technology sales. So here is my technology sales in the East is booming, and on the other side, office supplies in the south are lagging. So you can see office. So where is my office supplies in the south is lagging. Yeah, obviously it's so much lagging there in the chart also. Now our step 5 is making it easy to read. So for people can get it easily. Now that we have organized the data by region and categories and added sales figure, it's time to make it more readable and visually appealing. A clear, well-formatted view helps anyone from analysts to decision makers quickly gap insights. Let's polish the visualization step by step. So the first step to visualize and polish it is to sort by sales. Sorting is a powerful tool to highlight trends and focus on most important. Here's how you can do it. Look at your table and click on the sorting icon at the toolbar. So here is my sorting icon. Either you can sort it by ascending or we can descending. I will go with the ascending order. Once you click it, now Tableau will automatically rank categories with each region based on their total sales, putting the highest selling category at the top and the lowest at the bottom. Imagine you are the manager of a big supermarket chain. Your sales data for the East region shows three product categories like furniture, technologies, and office supplies. Without sorting the data, might appear in a random order, making it harder to see which category is performing best. But with the sorting, the story becomes clear. Technology might be the top performing, bringing up, $50,000 sales here. You can say, yeah, this technology is something like 2,64,000, and office supplies lagging behind might be, so here's my office supplies might be, in South is 1,25,000 or something like that. And here, now as a manager, the sorted view instantly show you where to focus your efforts. Maybe it's time to push a marketing campaign for office supplies in the East, or invest more in the expanding your technology industry. Sorting is like arranging store shelves so the best selling products, think like chips, chocolates, or milk, are placed at eye level, matching them easy to spot and boosting sales. So, our next is number as grade. So, our next step is to format sale as currency. Now, numbers are great, but raw numbers alone can sometimes be ambitious. Formatting sales figure as currency makers your visualization looks professional and ensure audience understandable the value. Here's how you do it. Right click on your sales feed, right click on your sales feed, go to format and format, go to align numbers in currency standard. Okay, now here change the number format to currency as we have already done it here. Let's say you're presenting the data to your boss without formatting. Your table might show something like different, like technology is 5000, furniture is 3000, and office supplies 1000. Why? It's here they are numbers only. It's not immediately obvious what they represent. Are these items sold? Revenue in dollars? By formatting the sales figures as currency, it becomes crystal clear, like technology as $50,000 and furniture as $30,000 and office supplies at $10,000. This now your boss doesn't have to guess. It's obvious. These numbers represent revenue. Think of it as adding price tags to product in a store. A jar of peanut butter priced at $5 is far more informative than one marked with just 5. Proper formatting eliminate confusion and give context to your data. But why this step matter? Sorting by sales help identify trends like which region or categories are thriving and which need attention. Formatting sale as currency ensures clarity, professionalism, and accountable insights. Together, these steps make your visualization much more than just a table. It becomes a powerful tool for storytelling and decision making. Whether you're presenting to a team or analyzing on your own, these small adjustments can make a big impact, much like how organizing and labeling product in a supermarket transforms shopping from a frustrating cure into a smooth experience for you. So our step 6 is adding a title. Every good visualization need a title. Click on the title area at the top and type sales breakdown by region and category. I will go on sheet 1. I will, so as we can say, sales breakdown by region and category. As we have divided region and category, region and category. Yeah, I will make it as bold and Time New Roman and in center. Yeah, I make it as 24 and okay. Now, it has clearly mentioned its title. It's like putting a big sign at the front of the supermarket saying, Welcome to North Asia, dairy snacks and beverages. Now people know exactly, what they are looking at. And there you have it. By adding multiple fields to row and customize the views, we are turning the chaotic dataset into a clear and actionable tables. We, region organize the aisle, categories organize the shelves, and sales give you the price tag. With the organized view, business can make smarter decisions like boosting promotions in the south or focusing on technology sales in the west. And that's it. Let's quickly recap what we have done. We have added multiple fields like region and categories to the row shelf, and we have also displayed meaningful numbers like sales in the column shelf. We also polished and format everything for your clarity. And see how easy it's to turn messy data into a clearly story. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your source of IT knowledge. We're always here to help you and navigate you to the tech world.